If you've decided that you need to lose some weight, then this Hypnosis for Weight Loss workshop will be your most powerful tool in your weight loss journey. Let's face it, weight loss isn't always easy, and it takes a great deal of willpower to stick to a diet or exercise program. But you know, a lot of people have turned to hypnosis to help them conquer the mind game behind weight loss and give themselves their best chances of success. Hypnosis helps you by reprogramming your mind. And we'll even have a session where we'll put an imaginary gastric band on your stomach so that you'll feel full faster and lose weight quicker. And right now is an excellent time to find out if hypnosis will work for you, because I'm holding a Hypnosis for Weight Loss workshop starting Tuesday, October 5th, and you can attend for free. That's right, I'll be doing live group hypnosis sessions online so you can attend from the comfort of your favorite chair, and we'll reprogram your mind to help you set and achieve your weight loss goals. And it's absolutely free. So you have nothing to lose except for the fat that you've already decided to lose. And if you want to get started even sooner, then you'll have options for that too. You can even get one-on-one sessions for maximum results. Now, I can't say if hypnosis is right for you, but this is a great way for you to find out. All you got to do is go to my website at jeffbroomfield.com. I'll have a link somewhere around here so that you can click the link and go straight to the workshop page and simply register with the sign-up form. The web page will also have details about the workshop, so click the link to learn more. Once you register, you'll get the link to the event and you'll be good to go. So go to my website now and register for the free Hypnosis for Weight Loss workshop. Now that summer's over, it's a great time to get started. And if you don't start now, then when? It's time to do this now. So click the link, register, and let's get you on the road to your weight loss success.